Well, welcome back everybody to Bear's Rod Shop. We're going to be busy here. It might be a little lengthy video. Got to do the fixturing plate for the welding table. And everybody's busy around these machine shops and they wanted an arm and a leg. 1/2-inch steel plate, 27 by 30. Going to be a leaf goes on to the existing table over there. Bride's out here to help me a little bit. It's a little unorthodox. This plate is sitting on a J.D. Wallace radial heavy-duty saw. Got it blocked up here. Got some shims here. We've already put the nuts over here, and they're leveled out. Put the T-nut. And come over, show you a little bit of what we're doing. We're using these as leveling studs so I can get up off the table and not take the drill bit through. Nice to have a DRO. And got a combination in between 27 and 45 holes. Hadn't decided all the layout, but so far this is going to be to set up the new Wilton vise on for fixturing. Going to have it in place for the turntable. And then I'll come around my layout and make some probably 4x4, 3x3, 5/8 holes. Won't be doing a lot of drilling on this video, but here's how we're planning. When you have a small column mill, you guys, most of us can't afford a big Bridgeport. But this is going to be a little chore to set up and fixture. Let's get busy, dear. I'm going to tell on myself. Down here below is the drawer full of all the chucks, right? Had it already set up, wasn't even going to video this thing, but I thought it kind of funny. After I got it all up, got it level, got it ready, had to pull it all back apart to get the chucks. So that's part of human nature, I guess. All right, dear, we're going to slide her back, kind of help me get up over the bolts. Watch your fingers. Now, get these timbers here. You ready, dear?
Not yet. You got to get it more in there.
I'm going to pick up. You're going to take them out from under it. Get them out and lay them on the floor. Now, we're going to come in here. I've got the T-nuts with the bolts. Got the shims here. You're going to have to nope, right there. She's pretty good.
Level.
Alright, since this is 27 wide and I'm out to the end, I'm setting me some spacer blocks here down in the valley. I'm going to take a piece of heavy 3/8 plate and we put in the T-nuts. These are positioned so the arms of the hold downs are right over the top of them nuts. It'll be like that. And this one. Boy, it's a hot day in Texas. Should have the AC running, but don't want to help out the electric company too much. We'll put this plate here, and everything is supported. Now, always make sure I pick up the back rear of the holding clamp, so it's pushing downwards. Should have got the big old 1-inch wrench instead of these. Yeah. Just going to put a little twist on it right there. Not worried about square so much as I am, because I can get the power feed. I don't have to worry about getting to the handle. Get over this side. Same thing. We've already set this shim here at dead level. Come down. Put our 2 blocks on. These adjustable tiers did not work like I wanted them to. Here over there on the table is 2 long ones of the clamps. thought I had them laid out. There's one there and one way at the back. It's in the red tray, longest ones you got. Woo! It's hot out here.
Please.
Yep, I need the other one. Again, we're right over the top of those fixturing 5/8 head bolts.
Can we put this back over here?
They ain't worried about picking up right now. It's going to be kind of a short video for these guys that have these old column mills like this. Got good, probably 3/16 up here. She's going to be pressing down hard. We'll turn the camera around here and move in just a hair. This would be a good day to be fishing, but it's too hot to fish. Now, that's not the way I'd really love to fixture this thing. Got my mag here, my level that way, and pretty good, but the plate has a slight warp. Nope, she's good. And she was good across here. I'm gonna give her a little snug. Don't want to over tighten and bust my bed. First holes are up in here. And if you'll watch this carefully, hon, we're going to slide this. We're going to use the power. Sliding good. Going to get her in the ballpark. And pretty good shape there, about 2 inches. But this J.D. Wallace old big radial arm saw, it's sure been a good one. It also is what I cut aluminum on, and she does a very good job. It's 220. It's a 4-horse motor in this thing, and but this is another day at Bear's Rod Shop. And to all my subscribers, thumbs up. And the bride says thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, we need all the subscribers we can get. Hey, Brian, both of you over there at Metal Shaper and over at BC Block, don't laugh too much. One day there will be either a Bridgeport or in Wells index setting here. I like that Wells, but I sure like the Bridgeport because I got all the R8 tooling collets, etc. And there is some bargains here. A lot of estate sales and a lot of people going out of business. But again, this is another day at Bear's Rod Shop, getting the fixture table ready. And yes, I'm going to go in where it's cooler here this afternoon and get sewing on the 55 interior. God bless y'all. Come back and visit.